want to show you how I curl my hair with a flat iron, just so you can see how easy it is. All right, so I blow dried my hair upside down again to create lots of volume at my roots. And now I'm just gonna take a little section. This is probably 2 inches. I'm gonna take the flat iron and point it down, and I just start twisting it around. All right, so I turn it, and then I just kind of slide it down. So I do like 1.5 turns, and then there we go. Super, super easy. And then I will flat iron the ends a little bit. All right, so here's where we're at. Now, as you noticed, hopefully, this side I curl everything away from my face that way, and on this side I do it away from my face this way. I always hold the flat iron down on both sides. So I parted my hair. When I get to the very top section, I personally need the flat iron to smooth it, and so I flat ironed at the top, and then I'm gonna start at about eyebrow level, and that's where I'll start these curls. So that's how that one ended up. So I'm flat ironing at the very top just to smooth it. I'm flat ironing at the very bottom, and then just right in between, I'm gonna do a little curl. There we go. Now on this opposite side, I'm gonna do the exact same thing. So flat iron at the top, kind of straighten out the ends, go eyebrow level, and the fact that the outside is made of the same stuff as the inside, it does get warm on the outside, but you learn just to grab those little spots, but it just helps your hair to glide around the flat iron so easily. All right, we're done with curling. And then I'm gonna take some hair oil, rub it all around my hands, and then just kind of finger comb it through my hair to kind of smooth it out. Okay, I'm all done. Just FYI, this flat iron you can adjust the temperature. It goes from 300 to 465. So just do whatever your hair responds best with. Because mine's coarse, I like to stay around 410. I love how smooth it is. Your hair literally glides around it. Whether you have coarse hair or fine hair, it's awesome.